Watch mommy, I eat my french fried chicken.
My daughter cook for me. This is not a joke. You know watch the video, you know gonna see it for yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Yeah, I don't want to miss me. It has been a while, but I can explain. My phone has been giving a lot of trouble. As a result of that, I'm unable to edit my videos. I have a lot of content in my phone, but they're not playing. So little short updates. And I know Ken is still loving you. So pray for me and hope that I get a phone soon, because I have some video ideas that I want to execute. I know you're gonna love it. So stay tuned until then. Bye.
Today I am cooking macaroni, some chicken. We're gonna fry them. Hey guys, I am going to put my macaroni in the pot. Here's the cheese. Sorry, it fell out. Here's the cheese. Let's put the macaroni in the pot now. No, let me tell them.
You're going to pour the oil in the pot for the chicken.
Let me tell them. We have to give the macaroni a few minutes to cook. Let's pour the oil in the fry pot. Tell me when to stop camera, girl. Do the chicken now. I'm starting with the chicken wing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna.
Chicken and macaroni, chilling with my own.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Chicken and macaroni. This is the wing and the chicken the drumstick. The chicken drumstick. Let I get the chicken breast. Sprinkle this flour on it. The flour is a nice thing what I put on my chicken. It's the first time you see mommy's daughter's cooking. Hey guys, I am going to dust out the flour of the chicken and put it in the pot now. And my macaroni is almost finished. Let's shake this. And give the chicken a little flavor. Let's drop it in the chicken pot. You hear that sound? That is sometimes the pepper make that sound in the chicken.
Alright, don't put any more in there.
See?
Give me butter.
I know what to do.
Then I stir it now.
I stir mine.
Come hold the pot.
Yes, I am going to share my food now. With the macaroni. This is the French fried chicken. I will take this piece. Hello. Guys, here's my food. What I cooked. Delicious. Guys, I tasted the chicken is so spicy. When I said spicy, it's spicy bad. There's my mother's food too. Sorry. Who told us to start with the chicken? With ketchup with chicken? It's delicious. Here you go, guys.
Tastes nice, Emma.
Well, really cool. It tastes like the KFC chicken.
Tell them I use KFC flour.
I use KFC flour to make this KFC chicken. Water and pepper hot.
The pepper, spicy.
Excuse me. Guys,
Them not see pretty, all pretty.
you watch Ojo then? Mama Ojo and his girlfriend do a video with spicy noodle. If you want to go over Mama Ojo channel, yeah, type in it. Cause and me can't tell them what to do.
Ten out of 10, yeah? I would give her a 10 out of 10.
You're the best cook. First time.
She did well. You have to go cook under there.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Stay tuned for more, guys. Bye bye.
Stay tuned for more, guys. Bye. Bye.